Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do math in Excel. Okay, so first we will have question 1, input values for y equals to x squared plus bx plus c using spreadsheet formulas. And so you can see here the first row I've already written the formula for it. And I wouldn't want to rewrite the formulas for the rest. So what I'm going to do is I'll just drag this down and I'll get the rest of the answers here. And if you can see here, if I change my values of B and my values of C, the values on the graph on my column also changes. All right, so moving on to question 2, display both curves on the same graph using tables of values. So what I'm going to do is I'll just copy these 2 rows, click insert, and click on graph charts. And here are my 2 graphs. So as you can see here, my first chart, the blue line represents my first column and the orange line represents my second column. And if I change my values here, both the chart and my answers here also changes. Okay, so we move on to question 3. Display numerical and discriminant numerical solution to the equation x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So my numerical discriminant is just the numbers, the constants after my x. So my A, my B, and my C, which I'll just put here. And so for the first one, I already have my answers. I already written down the solutions for it. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. And I'm gonna write down the second solution, which I'll just drag down, remove the center piece. And here I'll change, instead of putting plus, this is a quadratic formula, by the way. Instead of putting plus, I'll just put minus, enter. And here are my both 2 solutions. If you can see here, if I just change my B, my C, I'm sorry. I change my B and my C. My values for my x1 and x2, my chart and the column here also changes simultaneously. All right, going on to question 4. Given the function in completed square form, so they completed the square for the x squared plus bx plus c. They asked me to compare it to the graph y equals to x squared and how it has shifted. So what I did was just my graph shifted by negative b over 2 on the x-axis, and my graph will shift by c minus b squared over 4 on the y-axis compared to my y equals to x squared. And question 5 just states, verbally explain the changes in solution for different discriminant values and display my conclusion statement. So what I've written here, the formula here, what I did was just using the discriminant formula, b squared minus 4ac. And as you can see here, if my answer is a positive, you give me 2 solutions. And if it's equals to 0, it will only have 1 solution. And if my values are negative, you can see here negative 11, it won't have any solution. Okay, and I'm done for today. Thank you guys.